Hello friends, I am Professor Yasar Shinde from KKV College of Agriculture Business Management Nashik. Today I am here with a topic Low External Input Agriculture, that is LEIA, and High External Input Agriculture, that is HEIA. Here we are going to discuss about the meaning of low external input agriculture and high external input agriculture. Low external input agriculture is a series of practices which serve to reinforce ecological principles that are in line with local ecosystems, and high external input agriculture depends heavily on artificial chemical inputs such as fertilizers and pesticides, some hybrid seeds, mechanization based on fossil fuels, and often also irrigation, where developing society may hardly afford. Let's see the characteristics of high external input agriculture and low external input agriculture one by one. High external input agriculture is the farming pattern which depends heavily on external and chemical inputs. Low external input agriculture relies on the optimal use of natural processes, although yields have increased substantially, contributing to raised total production. In case of high external input agriculture, the focus of agricultural development and research has mainly been on maximizing yields coupled with increasing specialization of product. In case of low external input agriculture, the focus is on the sustainability of farming system. There is a great damage to the environment due to high external input agriculture, and low external input agriculture is environmentally sound and that have the potential to contribute to the long-term sustainability of agriculture. Under high external input agriculture, the continuing drop in prices of farm produce and the rising cost of agricultural inputs have made farming increasingly unprofitable. Under LEIA, that is low external input agriculture, there is a greater emphasis is on long-term sustenance and balance between the profit and livelihood. High external input agriculture depends on the higher production and profit without consideration of the local needs and local markets. In case of low external input agriculture, there is a sustainable ecological practices depends on largely on local agroecological conditions and on local socio-economic circumstances. In case of high external input agriculture, primarily one or two commodity driven development, there is a lack of diversity in the farming practices. As a result, there is greater risk of failure and price fluctuation. The number of products and commodities are very minimum. One way of low external input agriculture is to diversification of farm with a range of crops and animals. Farmers will suffer less from price fluctuations or drops in yield of single crops. Under HEIA system, soil quality deteriorates and there is resurgence of pest, lack of resilience in the soil plant system. LEIA maintains a healthy soil, recycling nutrients on the farm and utilizing approaches such as integrated pest management, that is IPM. In high external input agriculture, there is lack of use of indigenous technologies. In case of low external input agriculture, there are best technologies, for example, soil and water conservation, in which terraces and vegetation strips on sloping land are developed, then better timing of operations, then improved crop spacing and densities, manure or compost and water application based on local conditions. So friends, this is about low external input agriculture and high external input agriculture. I hope you all like this video. Thank you.